County in southwest Pennsylvania, extreme southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, central Westmoreland County in southwest Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near West Mifflin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wilkinsburg, West Mifflin, Oakland, McKeesport, Elizabethboro, East Liberty, Turtle Creek, Monroeville, Marysville, Irwin, Jeanette, Delmont. This will impact the following highways: Route 43 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 53. Interstate 376 between mile markers 73 and 84. Toll 66 between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 76 between mile markers 54 and 76. In addition to large hail and damage